Hi viewers, welcome to Sara Pakistan. Our today's video is about A-level mathematics. We hope that this video will help you to understand difficult concepts. However, if you feel any difficulty, please let us know through comments and we'll try to help you accordingly. Before we start our today's video, you are requested to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. We hope you will like and share it with your friends. Viewers, let's start learning mathematics now. Hi friends, welcome to Sara Pakistan. Our today's topic is factorization and we will solve part F of question number 2, exercise 1A. Let's proceed. On the left side, we will take LCM x plus 2 and x minus 1, and on simplification you will write 3 times x minus 1 plus 1 times x plus 2 equal to, on the right side it will remain as it is, x plus 1 and x plus 2. Now on simplification you will get 3 times x minus 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 times x is x plus 1 times 2 is 2 whole over x plus 2 times x minus 1 and equals 1 over x plus 1 times x plus 2. Now on simplification you will get 4x minus 1 over x plus 2 times x minus 1, and our right side is same, x plus 2. Now you can eliminate this x plus 2 on both sides by multiply x plus 2 both sides. You will get 4x minus 1 over x minus 1 equals 1 over x plus 1. Now cross multiply. You will get x plus 1 times 4x minus 1 and equal to x minus 1. Our next step is simplification, and you will get 4 times x square minus x plus 4x minus 1 equal to x minus 1. Further you will get 4x square plus 3x minus 1, and then you take x to left side minus x and then plus 1 equal to 0. Further on simplification you will get 2x, this will cancel away, equal to 0. And now you can take common as 2x and you are left with 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Now either 2x equal to 0, which gives x is equal to 0, or 2x plus 1 equal to 0, which gives 2x equals minus 1 and x equal minus half.